LinkedIn tips. Create a profile that recruiters will love. Stand out from the crowd with a couple of easy and simple tips and tricks. First, customize your URL. Make your link clean and professional. Instead of a long string of numbers, choose your first and last name. You can also add your personal link to your resume. You can find and edit your URL on the top right corner of your profile. Write a strong LinkedIn headline. Your headline slogan should clearly show what you do and possibly what you're looking for. Instead of just student or marketing specialist, use concise keywords like creative marketing enthusiast, social media, and storytelling. Your current and past employers can also attract recruiters. A good headline immediately catches attention, but it shouldn't be too long or it will get cut off. For example, UX/UI designer at company XY may spark more interest than UX enthusiast, TEDx speaker, professional branding expert. Don't make it too specific, as new roles are constantly emerging and you never know what recruiters are searching for. You can also use symbols or emojis. Less is more. Turn on Open to Work. Use it to show recruiters that you're available and for what roles. You can specify positions, locations, and even choose whether only recruiters or everyone can see your badge. It's generally better to keep it invisible without the green banner. You can select up to 5 job titles so recruiters can find you within that range. Think long term, as roles can change. Be flexible with locations. Choose countries instead of specific cities, since you never know where your dream job might be. Here's how it works. Update all sections of your profile. Keep everything up to date and as detailed as possible to increase your chances of being found. Add new experiences, projects, or certifications, and create new sections if needed. There are many options. Your profile is a digital business card, and you should roughly match your actual application documents. Add and get endorsements for skills. Include as many relevant skills as possible, since recruiters search specifically for them. Use all 50 skills, tools, hard skills, etc. The drop-down suggestion helps as well. Ask colleagues or former team members to endorse your skills. It's just one click and works like a simple virtual recommendation. Edit your banner image. It's an effective and free billboard for yourself. Use it for your personal branding and add your motto, job role, or a design. With free tools like Canva, Figma, or Adobe Express, you can easily create one or choose a template. You can also generate an image with AI. On Unsplash, you can find free images. Write a SEO or geo-optimized bio. Your short description highlights key areas. It's rarely read fully, but with the right buzzwords, it's crucial for being found. You can use AI to create a summary that includes important keywords from job postings in your target roles, such as relevant skills. It shouldn't be as long as a cover letter, but not too short either. Use featured content. Have strong LinkedIn posts, portfolios, or projects? Use the featured section to showcase them. Review your public profile. There is a difference between how your profile appears to members and to logged out users. This setting is important because it determines what shows up in AI tools and search engines. Decide whether you want all your activities visible or prefer to limit it. Do you really want the whole world to see your post? If you think, I've done this already, stay tuned for 2 tips that you can do anytime. Connect with everyone you know or you want to know, colleagues, former managers, or people within your target industry. The more connections you have, the more visible you become. When connecting with strangers, use personalized invitations. I'll link a video showing how to find real hiring managers on LinkedIn who are currently hiring in your field. Follow companies and decision makers. Show interest in the companies you want to work for. Follow their pages and relevant leaders. Also, clean up your feed once in a while to avoid shady LinkedIn coaches or full-time corporate influencers. Keep your feed focused. This way, you stay up to date and show engagement. LinkedIn is your stage. Have you already applied all of these tips, or do you have more? Let me know in the comments. With these simple optimizations, you can take your LinkedIn profile to the next level. Recruiters will love it. Now it's time to start. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, give me a thumbs up. It's free. Follow my channel for more career insights and come back soon. Together, we will find your professional niche.